My name is Fahad Khan, and I'm heading the Business Development and Sales Division in Laxon Business Solutions. We are a part of the Laxon group of companies, and we mainly look into IT solutions and services for the local and the international market. There are four major areas that we look into. There is IT solutions, in-house application that we have developed, and we sell it as products. We have mobile application development that we look into, and we look into Microsoft products and solutions and services as well. Laxol is an IT solutions provider, and the major area of expertise is customized solution development. May it be applications for web, may it be applications for desktop, may it be applications for mobile. We have the technical skills and we have the technical abilities for customized application development right from the scratch to any level or any extent that a customer is actually looking for. So as compared to out-of-the-box products, we excel in customized application development. And that is actually what is needed nowadays in the market. A complete solution, not just a box product that is going to cater for a certain level or a certain requirement. But the requirements are actually going on to such an extent that they require a solution, a complete solution. Right? That's where we excel in. There are plenty of projects that we're working on. We are working on a Microsoft application development for SharePoint for United Marines agencies. We are looking into application development for a complaint management system for Dolans. We are looking into application, we recently initiated application for sales and distribution for Igloo. We have done SharePoint implementations for banks in Pakistan as well. We also have developed applications for a Nokia platform for various themes have been developed for various occasions. We also have been looking into iPhone application development for local and international market. Restaurants, iPhone-based restaurant applications being developed for a client in Kuwait. Complete conference management systems being developed for Ministry of Higher Education. We also looked into resource outsourcing as well. We provided resources that can be utilized for ongoing projects outside Pakistan and within Pakistan as well. We have been looking into iPhone application development and a complete website application for a major publishing house in UK called ELAF. It's not just the international market that we're looking into. We are catering the local market as well. Laxol is as much into the international market as it is in the local market. As I mentioned, plenty of projects. Major clients that we have are in Pakistan. Pfizer is one of our clients. Cybernet is our client. Igloo is going to be our client. Dolans is our client. United Marines Agency is our client, and plenty of other major names in Pakistan. Not just in Karachi, but outside Karachi as well. We recently did a contract with the City School in Lahore. That is going to cover all the 25, I guess, as for the first phase, there are 25 locations that we will be providing our time and attendance management system for. So it's not just the international market that we are catering. Yes, I would say that an international market is much more exposed out there, and Laxon Business Solutions has taken complete benefit of that. Plenty of applications and plenty of requirements are coming from the international market. We have been catering clients in the Saudi market as well. We've been catering clients in Bahrain. We've been catering clients in Dubai, Abu Dhabi. We've been catering clients in Qatar. That's the Middle East region. We have a partner in Canada as well. We are providing web applications and iPhone applications for the Canadian clients via that partner. We also are looking into applications for UK via two of our major marketing collaborations that we have done in the United Kingdom. It's more of a fact that we have balanced our clientele in local and international. I would say that an international market is much more hungry when it comes to having those projects or giving out those projects. Laxon Business Solutions is successful to gather or to grab the major projects from various regions in the world. In the Middle East, there's plenty of projects coming in. Saudi Arabia is an extremely booming market with 2022 football FIFA World Cup going to be in Qatar. Qatar is an extremely great market to be there. Plenty of projects coming in. And I would say that the IT industry is something that is connected to every major sector out there. When we talk about Saudi Arabia, the thing that comes to our mind is construction or buildings or something coming out of the ordinary in one of or few major cities in that region. It's not that. It's not just the construction agency. It's not just the oil and gas in the Middle East. It's actually a combination of plenty of things. IT is a part of that as well. Resources are there, trainings are there, solutions are there, websites is there. It's not just, and when we talk about websites, it's not, we probably would be looking into the local market, ji falane company ki website bana di, ya we are looking into a static website, or we're looking into something that is more on the flash based. As compared to Pakistan, the international market for the web requirements has enhanced a lot. It's not just the websites that we're looking into right now, it's web applications on a much more deeper level. Due to the recession, a lot of cost cutting has been done. A lot of cost cutting is being followed by major organizations worldwide, especially in the European area, especially in the Americas. You won't believe that the major chunk of projects on web applications that we are getting now is from South America. And why are South American companies providing these web applications or requirements or projects to us? Why is Saudi giving it to us? Us means not Laxon Business Solutions itself, but other companies. Us means companies in Pakistan. Why there are applications on iPhone being developed by some companies in Pakistan for clients in UK or for clients in US? It's because this is the time where Pakistani organizations or Pakistani resources can use to the max extent what is called resource outsourcing. Now, when we call resource outsourcing, there are actually organizations here that are having resources stationed here in Pakistan, and they are providing services to clients outside Pakistan. This is cost effective for the companies out there, and a lot of companies are actually having their business or their marketing offices or their CEOs stationed outside Pakistan, and the rest of the office is here. There once was a company that I worked for in Pakistan. The complete office was here and only their CEO was outside Pakistan because the CEO was actually getting projects and sending it to here. I mean, he's getting the leads and sending it here. The marketing resources were here, the technical development teams were here, the QA teams were here, everybody was here. They're actually doing the cost-effective solution approach. I think that is the best thing to do now for Pakistan but there is a huge threat to that concept as well. So if there is a cost threat, then what is the thing that we can excel on, or what is the thing that Pakistan can excel on in local market or in international market? It's the quality of service. The quality should be something that can be compared to, I mean, there are plenty of companies in Saudi Arabia. I've been talking to plenty of Saudi guys and plenty of Bahraini guys and Qatari guys that is actually I'm talking to. He's having a lot of problems with the delivery or the quality of the deliverables when they're coming from the Indian IT companies. They're not satisfied, they're not happy. Jaldi mein kaam hua hai, jaldi karke diya. Cost agar kam hai, to quality bhi kam hogi definitely. So if that is the case, then we are actually excelling in that. The approach that Laxol has been doing is that learning from what the international market is requiring and implementing that in the local market, efforts for that. We still have to look into how can we beat that with the quality of service. How are we doing it is that plenty of companies out there who provide IT companies with their requirements. कि हमें ये develop करना है, हमें ये चीज़ develop करनी है. The standard approach that IT companies are doing is that they are looking into what is being given to them. They develop a document like a requirement set or a product, and they give it to the Pakistani client. So they're actually matching to what the requirements are. But Laxon Business Solutions has taken a different approach. We have taken an approach of not an IT solution worker, but an IT consultant. We're actually providing with the right information to the client. If the client is saying, I want to develop ABC, then we will say to the client, no, this is, whatever you are saying is fine, but look into this as well. This is what the international market is doing. This is what your competitor out there in the international market in one of the regions out there is doing. So if you would like to compete yourself within the local market, then you probably would be able to go with whatever you're requiring. But if you would like to compete internationally, then this is something that you should look into. You should develop something like this. The solution, since we've been catering the international market, so we know what the international technologies are. And as we look into, for example, banks here, there are plenty of banks out there that are actually having international mergers. So if there is a bank that has a branch in Dubai, for example, and a branch in Karachi, so they both should be on the same page. So if there is a branch in Dubai that we have catered earlier, and we have catered with a specific solution that is catering to their needs, we are presenting the same solution to the local branch as well. And the other approach, along with this, the other approach that we're doing is that we're not looking into what the requirement is for now. We are providing them with an insight as to what you should be doing when it comes to having a solution that can cater to your needs for the next 5 years, or cater to the needs that is going to not just compete you with this or this, but you should be over these companies. You should be above these companies. So this is the approach that Laxon Business Solutions has been doing.